today's conference was one of the best opportunities for the students to have the best interaction, to listen to the so many faculties.
It was a wonderful experience coming to Parul University campus. I think it's a huge campus. I think when looking at this campus, you don't feel like that you are in periphery of Baroda.
Physiotherapists are a key leader to support Fit India movement in India.
हम fit तो India fit. I think so. This is a very nice message which will be conveyed from all the universities, especially from Parul University.
I have seen an exponential growth in the quality that this Physiosummit has been putting up year by year.